I just got this brand new TM carburetor, which is exactly the same thing as my old one here. Alright, so I made a mistake. So I did buy this new carburetor off of Dennis Kirk. When I got it, kind of realized something. The reason this slide was stuck, which is not anymore, you can see in this carburetor, is because this idle screw was turned in very far. And that was causing it to push up against a slide in the middle. And I just didn't realize it. And I don't even know how it got to be like that, because I didn't mess with it. So it's possible maybe somehow it was close to it, and whenever I was putting it on and off one of the bikes, it just turned a little bit too much. I don't know. But yeah, that's the problem. It's that this is working again. So I bought that other carb for no reason. So I have 2 carbs here. But since I have a new carb, which for some reason doesn't even have the choke. Notice that? Doesn't even have the choke mechanism. Not sure why it didn't come with that, but it doesn't come with the choke. I'm going to put this carb back on, but I think I'm going to change some parts over. Yeah, change the bowl over, since this bowl has a nice new screw on it. So yeah, change some of these parts over to this one here. Clean this one out. And yeah, just put this one back on the bike, see what happens. You know, try to use as much of the new parts that I can. Yeah, the slide has to be from this bike though, because this bike has a special cut in the slide, so it would have to be this slide that I would need to use anyways, than the slide it came with. But yeah, so yeah, the mystery has been solved here after buying a new carb. That I didn't need to buy a new carb. The issue was simply that somehow the choke or the idle had gotten turned in all the way and pressed up against it. That was the only issue. So yeah, I'm just going to get this one in better shape. All right. Put this on the old one. Do this. Off. Yeah. I got so many. This carb's unused, brand new. I've got like a bunch of carbs that are laying around that are unused, brand new now. Let's do this the simple way. Luckily with these Bings, the bolts actually stay into the head, or into the top of the thing there. They don't actually come out. So you don't have to worry about dropping them. You just have to unscrew them. So the Bings are actually pretty nice carbs. Let's see here. See how that bolt stays in there, doesn't come out. The other thing that's nice about them is the bowls are clips. Just pull right off. So they're very easy, these Bings to work with. Okay, now let me see. throttle does. The area here. Figure out that was the problem with it until I figured out it was the ignition, and that's whenever I took it off and found out that the carb had locked up, which is strange, but there was a movable middle piece in it, so I was like, okay, maybe that middle piece just broke or warped or something, because I couldn't understand how it would lock up like in the middle. You know. There. I got the back almost done. Yeah. Good. So, will the bike run? Long time. Give it a few seconds, fill in there. One, two, three, four. Bad kick. Very smoky. But fire it up. Is that bike's ready to go. So I'll wait on getting a 97 fixed. Yeah. Then you get a new chain guard for it and stuff. Our new chain protector on the swing arm and throttle. So I'll wait on that and I can go back and ride this one again. Need to put the siphon back on to make sure everything else is bolted back up. But yeah, seems like it is running good. Fired right up. Yeah, so I think that yeah, next time I'll take this out. Front suspension was just redone on it. Yeah, I didn't do the rear shock, I just did the front. Yeah, runs great now.